Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to Problems and Solutions series. I don't know, I keep calling them for clickbaity thingies, just like I have no idea how to name them. So, hey ho. So, many problems, I will have even more. Looks like currently sugar is low supply, but what I'm doing here is I'm gonna be pausing you because we have overproduction of biomass, which is fine, I don't care. Sugar is being used in some processes, we have enough. Actually, I really don't want to upgrade this. You know what, I'll have to upgrade this. There we go. Unpause this. All of you can finally go and do the voodoo that you do so well. Okay, so what do we have? Okay, I have a cold brewski. Actually, I'm not sure how cold it is. It's Patronus. Patronus, that's the Lidl branded wheat beer. I actually like all wheat beers, absolutely no exceptions. So perfectly happy to consume one of these. It's not too cold, but I'm not too happy. I think I should have had it a little bit colder. Yeah, so this is gonna be one of those drunk chews. All jokes aside, it's just my first beer, so didn't have actually any yet. Anyway, so what we have is our farming area, our gas production, our hydrogen production, our antibiotic production. This seems like it's a little bit overkill as far as I can see. Maybe not. This looks like it's close to max consumption, production, whatever. Okay, so and then we have huge overproduction of steel, which we expanded in the last episode. For now, seems like okay, as soon as I said it wasn't working for a while. I believe that this will be the problem of delivery of these iron parts, which is, like I said, not a problem. Like, for example, if we decided that this one is putting out 192, that would be more or less for 4 of these. You can see that they're not even milling anything. We have everything delivered as far as I can see. So delivery of materials shouldn't be a problem. So why are you... Ooh, maintenance. Yeah, we had maintenance problem. What was the problem with maintenance? Oh yeah, recycling. We had huge recycling problem. Copper, too much copper. And I had a problem with copper not being accepted in the... let's do it like this. Copper wasn't accepted here because it didn't have sand, and now sand is being resolved ever so slowly. But as you know, we are hugely efficient with recycling, so we are consuming a lot of recyclables, a lot of recycled copper. So this is problem and a solution. So we are not using new copper, we are using old one, but a lot of it. Anyway. Aluminium is going to be name of the game, and you can see here that we have a problem with these dumper trucks still not doing the voodoo, not doing their job. I don't know if they're trying to build here a ramp, but I told them to build a ramp here. I have a feeling that they can't get there or something. No, look, they're passing through here. I have no idea why they're not dumping rocks over here, so I'm just gonna leave them alone. I think it's because I'm already dumping stuff here, and according to, I don't know, maybe where they're getting rocks, this is closer to dump, so they're looking for the closest place to dump the rocks, like, you know, smart pathfinding and stuff. I don't know. I am fine with this. We had the low supply of steel. That would be you. It's 25%. Yeah, that's fine. We are still having a problem here. What's with this? Not enough steel. So what's the problem with steel? I thought we had everything resolved. There obviously was a problem, but looks like it's resolved now. Okay, I'm gonna let the time pass a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back to this later. For now, I want to go and continue focusing on aluminium. Introduce more problems into the equation. So what do we have? I started building aluminium processing here, and I'm stuck at the first step. Not really stuck, this is where we are. Cheers. I'm telling you, these beers were better than when I was growing up than now. I think it's all gone to hell. Okay, so the first step here, because we are milling bauxite powder next to the mine, we are delivering bauxite powder. We need brine. Brine was also a voodoo that I did. It was quite embarrassing. It is quite embarrassing. So I'm having a brine produced here with the help of excess the heat production here. This is missing inputs, right? Waiting for products. Yeah, please be steam. Please be pollution. Yes, it is. So all this excess steam is spinning this turbine not really efficiently, but the depleted steam from here is going all the way to these thermal desalinators. You can see that they're not really working. There's only one working here. There's steam going all over the place, and we are getting some oh god, please don't tell me that that somebody's coming here and taking this. You know what, let's just stop it. Right, so desalinated water, we are producing here water and desalinated water. We need both of those. Why? Because aluminium production needs brine. This step needs brine, so salty water, extremely salty water, and bauxite powder, and we get the hydrated alumina and the red mud. Red mud is totally different recipes, totally different branch, and we are doing this as well. Red mud, I'm gonna address this first. Choo-choo, mofo. We have the first processing of the red mud. Red mud comes in here. It needs acid and limestone. We get slag and iron ore crushed. We need to get rid of this iron ore crushed as well. That's gonna be, I think, fun, but we need to introduce iron ore crushed somewhere. We do have, or probably we can do it here next to this one. So, like for example, iron ore crushed. Probably like here. All good. Just go for it, and I don't need to tell them to bring it here. I just need to put it like this. Okay, next up, we have the... we need to get rid of these materials. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna need. I'm gonna take my sweet time and space in order to put this, let's say, here. And I saw that the other one is also fun, that's slag. Yeah, boy, more slag. Slag goes up all the way here. Which one is which? I'll do this one here. Boom and boom. Okay, go for it. Build, and there we go. Yeah, maintenance. We're recovering. The band's gonna make it. Okay, so this is the red mud. We are only processing 18 red mud here. Obviously, this is a problem because only one of these has 36 red mud. So this, from the get-go, will have to be doubled. I will invest in this right now. Like this. Acid comes in. Limestone comes in. Red mud will eventually come in. And you don't have the outputs, yes. Let's see, this guy goes down, this guy goes up. Right? Right? I think so. Yeah, let's say that it's that way. I don't want to be reconnecting it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's start producing more of this. Next stop is the hydrated alumina. That's the thing that we don't have we don't have anywhere to put it. Okay, I planned here for 4 of these. Not sure if I'm gonna need more or how many of these I'm gonna need, but 4 of these. What is the next step? Let's see how much it costs. 75, that's fine. Okay, so we need hydrogen. I'm gonna put again a little bit of distance here. With this, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna have to expand this, but let's go for this way, and then like this all the way here. Nope. Boom. Build you, set hydrogen, deliveries like this, and then we're gonna set you to deliver hydrogen here as well. Okay, already something on the way. Okay, next up. So red mud is supposed to be processed here. We need to select recipe, we already have. After this, we're gonna get steam. Oh boy. Okay, so what do I do with the steam? Looks like I decided already that steam is gonna go away. I'm not sure if I should make it go away here. Let's put the chimney smokestack somewhere near the hydrogen, I guess, somewhere around here. And you need hydrogen, so yeah, they need to deliver hydrogen. And then we need the steam. Steam, go away. Like this. And all the way here. Come on, you can do it. Perfect. Okay. Oh, you're literally bringing hydrogen manually. Don't do that. Please deliver hydrogen there. That's fine. Let them play. If you have time to do so, you do it. And then we have a next step. That would be the alumina goes out. And here, what do we need here? Alumina and graphite. Okay, so this doesn't look correct. So, graphite, huh? Okay. Let's do it this way. Build this. Graphite. I guess 400. Okay, graphite. And this, boom, 375. You better be sure that you want it here, Oolykee. Yeah, whatever. 24, how much you can cast? 24, that's... Oh, CO2, yay, fun. More CO2 for the fire. Coffee time. Oh, in the last episode I just noticed, sorry about that, but there was no tunes, because usually when I'm playing this off screen, I listen to something else, documentaries, news, something, and unfortunately... Oh, graphite delivered. That's a good boy. That's a lot of graphite being delivered. Low supply of brine. Need to follow up on this. Brine here, that's perfectly fine. I have more if I need to put more brine in here, we can. For now, I think I'm gonna just leave it. I put these two balancers, prioritizing brine here, and I did the same thing with water. Water is prioritized in here, into our chemical industry. 36, so that's enough for 3 of these, but we can still upgrade this mixer, so it's not end of the world. Mining designation, this is our new railroad path that I started already planning. Previously, I will do it bit by bit. I think I'm gonna try to do it this way. I want to break through this first before we do anything else, and I want to do this here also. I want them to get rid of this line. Oh man, that's a decent amount. And they're not processing this that fast. You see these trucks? Maybe I should tell them to lower the amount of trucks we have here. This is not being consumed fast enough. Okay, anyway, this is gonna go there, but railroad technically is already connected over the bridge. We need to finish it, and I built smooth angles here that they can keep the speed. Of course, going up is not that smooth because this canyon and all. I built the overpass here, so the roads are in play. A lot of good stuff. The only thing that I didn't do is put grass on here, but that's unfortunate. I am building another passage through the mountains here, and I'm putting grass over this one though, so I'm really happy about this. Let's do like this. Let's see how this is gonna look. Is this gonna be nice or not? Not enough fuel for the vehicles. Yeah, I'm having a problem with fuel here. I'm just gonna check if we have enough vehicles, because this was never a problem. We have 3 vehicles, really? and you're delivering hydrogen only to 2 places and they're consuming this, I'll put 4 vehicles. Every time I look here, there's no excess vehicles, no excess trucks. This one is just from nowhere. This is not assigned. Like, for example, I have 8 vehicles assigned to this, and none of them are waiting here. They're all going around, and oh, that hydrogen looks quite high. That hydrogen looks very, very high. I'm gonna slow down the hydrogen production because reasons. Okay. Yeah, aluminium. Output is full. CO2 and the caster. Caster is just a normal one. That's a better one. That's okay. Let's build you and you. Okay, we're gonna have to get rid of this CO2. CO2 pipe is there. The CO2 pipe around here. Can we do it here? No, Oolykee was stupid that he made this so tight that pipe won't go through there. Any other good... Well, CO2 is consumed right here, so... I think I'm gonna just build it. This is also going to look at the vehicles, how they're like just rushing around. I think this is gonna force vehicles to behave a little bit more. The only problem is I'm supposed to be cutting somewhere here to connect these CO2. We have it here, but I don't have enough. Okay. Let's do it like this then. Pause. There we go. Is this a big pipe? All of them are big. Okay, that's fine. That's resolved. We need to get rid of CO2 from here. CO2. How much CO2 are you going to be giving us? Ooh, decent amount. I'm going to go, because I know that I'm going to have more than 3 of these. I'm going to go for a bit more. I really want to build this first. Okay. There you go. CO2 going out. Metal caster has aluminium. Okay, so that's about it. I think I will just put this one initially over here, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put the aluminium elsewhere as well. Well, let's plan for this straight away. So what is aluminium used for? Initially, we have composite panels, that's steel, plastic, and aluminium. We have rocket fuel. Both of these things. Oh, whoa, that's only a few things that aluminium is used for. I'm pretty sure these two are gonna be definitely the big spenders. Let's go straight away to composite panels. So no, you're not done. So we're gonna need to do composite panels in assembly 4. So let's go like this. Assembly 4 is going to be here, and we're gonna need a couple of storages next to it. What are the storages for composite? Here we go. Here we go, and then storages like this and like this. Why did I put it there? Because I would like to see how much I can push it in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is perfect. Ooh, but I need one more storage for composites. Actually, what are composites used for? No, I'm gonna push them further. Yeah. Okay, pushing them further. So this is plastic and steel. Let's get plastic and steel delivered here. Let's do the aluminium first. And here we're gonna need, let's see, this is going to be steel. Steel, please, to our like 400. build this and build this. This is going to be plastics. 400, build this. Notifications under 50%, spank you. Notifications, I didn't put notifications to all my storages, I need to do that. But I think for me, for beginners like me, I think it's a smart thing to put as many notifications as possible, so you're aware what's happening in your little factory town. Okay, build this, this, and this. Okay. Aluminium, steel, composite panels. Composite panels, go further. How much space we have? We have some space here. I'm thinking how I can... they have access to this dam holding back the seas from the other side. And sand is... Sand looks like it's a fine now. Okay, sure, if you say so. Okay, mine control tower, nothing to mine. Copper is full. That's very rare sight to see. If that's the case, if that's so, I'm gonna do this then. Let's finish this one. Do we need more stuff here? I don't know. I'm just gonna remove this so we don't have a vicious circle of them taking stuff, giving stuff, taking stuff, giving stuff. And I think we can do a little bit more here if I want to go for this layer. Yeah, there's copper even registered there, so... Okay. I have a bad feeling about this. I have a feeling I'm gonna snooker my peeps. Well, let's do it this way then. Let's do it this way and see how they're gonna react. Hopefully it's gonna be fine. Okay, low supply of brine. This seems like it's... I don't know. I wanted to say going up, but I don't know. Low supply of plastics. That's because they just took a lot of oh, that's a lot of plastics composite need. I should probably make potentially plastic production here, right? Is it? Oh no, it's only 4. That's not a lot. A lot more aluminium. Okay, looks like we have everything. Looks like we can go for the next level. We're gonna need overpass. I think this is okay. And conveyor belts. Well, let's see what's the next step first. We need space station. That's gonna need more steel, and it's gonna need electronics number 2. Okay, so we have and it's made in a factory, right? Yeah, assembly 4. So next stop, assembly 4. Let's do it like this. And like previously, 2 storages because... Oh, we have this steel. I don't want to mess with it. Nah, let's just have another steel. But I can copy-paste this steel and then it's gonna copy-paste notifications. And I can copy-paste this again and change it to plastics and then it's gonna be... Not plastics, that's electronics too, right? And it's gonna keep the notifications as well and loading amounts. So let's go for the composites. Steel. And electronics needs lift. Okay. Recipe spaceships. Okay. Coffee. Okay, this is obviously not working because chimney is not done. Yeah, let's go chimney. Oh, they're already dug through this. That's interesting. I thought I only left like one truck here now. Oh no, that's with the limestone. I can do this as well. Yeah, everything is looking... Oh god. So what is happening here? We have a problem with iron scrap. Because iron scrap is here. Come on. There we go. So now this is gonna be full of... Ah, I see. This is the problem. Well, it doesn't look like it's a problem here, but when it's full, it's a problem. Okay, so I need a balancer here as well. So what I'm gonna do here, and please remove this as well. Do we need to use it? We need to use it. I don't think they're gonna allow me to put a balancer here. Let's do it like this. Pause. Actually, they're gonna allow me to put balancer here, right? Ah, no, they won't. Okay, that's fine. So pause again and balancer, and this can go in here or here. I can do it over here. But priority input is gonna be here, and then we can build all of this. Build, build, build. So now the because here they were being mixed iron ore, and the recyclables were being mixed here 50-50, but now the priority input is the recyclables, and it's gonna be much, well, better. And as soon as recyclables are done, it's very close to here that they're gonna be. I could have... Yeah, I didn't have to have a splitter here. I could have put it on the opposite side. Okay, this is overcomplication, but... Again? Is it recycling again? No steel production. Like, we again have a low maintenance. I think I'm gonna have to... Settlement is full of trash. Seriously? Why is this not being emptied? Why do we have so much copper scrap? Okay, okay. Change of plans. This is going to be... Yeah, let's put... Damn it. Because everything is over here, I need to put this here as well. I should move these aside. Nah, actually, centrally located, it's much better. Okay, I'm doing it. Move it. It's empty anyway, so... This definitely needs a bigger buffer. What am I doing now is we have a problem with the scrap processing, copper scrap processing, and this is copper scrap. There we go. So the problem is that only one vehicle can deliver at a time, so other scrap is not even on the way. As soon as they deliver it, boom, it goes through the system very fast because we are processing a lot of scrap. But now we're gonna have dedicated. This okay? They removed even the connection. That's fine. I probably should tell these guys to deal because now we have all the trucks. Let's go export route. No route assigned. Let's go here, and then we can go and say, because we are getting so much copper, accept assigned only. So only big trucks are going to be delivering this scrap. Yeah, so this is a bigger buffer, because now the scrap from here can be taken as well. And we don't have to have dedicated... yeah, this is a problem. We're Napoli now. We're Naples. The city in Italy, they have a problem with mafia and scrap and taking away the trash. Wait, whoa. What? Oh, this is a different animal. Wait. Output is full. Oh, 72. No, that should be fine. We have the... They're all big pipes, right? 200, 200. Let's slow this down. Why is this a problem? Are you emptying this? Because it's connected here. Well, this is not moving. This one says transporting products, but waiting for products. This one doesn't have any products in here. And this one cannot transport it for some reason. Why is this pipe standing still? Idle. Oh, pause. There's CO2 in these pipes. Oh dear God. Oh my God. Oh, what a dumbass. Okay, and flushing the pipes is one of the most painful things ever, so sorry about that. Okay, let's just remove this first. I need this gun to fix this first, and then... Oh God, don't do this to me. Come on, remove it. Today, Junior. This way, and then this way, and then this way. Okay, big problem. CO2. Okay, let's deal with this now. These pipes are full of CO2. These guys cannot take CO2. So let's just see how much CO2 is in here. Actually, I can do it this way. Let's see if I can fix this. This is CO2, right? This is pollution. Okay, you're fine. Until where? Here, pollution. Perfectly fine. Why is this not being filled if this is pollution? Okay. And then here, pollution, which is absolutely what we need. Pollution, and then here, pollution, all the way to here, and then this is CO2. Okay, so if I do this, that should be fine, and do this, that should be fine. Okay, I hope so. Let's see if this is gonna work now. Because I think we should be processing more than enough trash here, and now output is full. This is not working still. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, waste is moving. Waste is moving. Trash is moving. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Something is something. We did something. Machine broken. This is due to maintenance. Why is maintenance a problem? Because... Let's monitor this. Okay, they have everything. I think it's recycling. I think that's the main thing. Let's do the quick check here, sanity check. This one is making only 240. We are using 140. That's fine. Yellow ones, we have 960. We are consuming 850. So that's fine as well. But the blue ones, it's 480. We have 4 of them, so that's gonna be... Oof, that's gonna be 1,800 something, right? 920. No, yeah. 1,920, and we have 1,150. So it's fine as long as we recycle everything. So a couple of things hit us at the same time. Idiocracy with the CO2 that Oolykee did. And, okay, that's fixed. Space stations. We're making space stations. Output is full. What do you do with the space stations? Okay, we have 2 new products. Solar cells, these are fine. I think we were using them from before. That's fine. We have some of them. I'm not making them anymore, but we have some of them. Obviously, I'm going to have to start producing them. And then we have chemical fuel. That's a new thing. Ammonia, fuel gas, and aluminium into chemical fuel. Yeah, and then all of this is connected to this. I don't remember how many of these we're gonna have to produce, but that is unfortunate. This is all good. I think all of these guys are gonna be... this is 150. Let's do this one here. They can consume way more. I just need to upgrade the conveyor belts. They can consume 388, 288. This is 450 conveyor belt, but at least it's going to be full. At least the factories are going to be full. So, yeah, and it's going to empty the trash much faster. Come on, you can do it. They're still full of trash. I wanted to see this resolved. Not enough maintenance, electronics. Let's see, electronics. That's here. Is big electronics fine? Not really. But it looks like it's flowing like crazy. Okay, small things. Small things. You see this? This is what I'm saying. Now this is fine. This is going to be fine because we have so much scrap being produced. Yes, we can process that. But they are being transported by big vehicles, which I want them to do. And then boom, boom. 300 and the other one had only like 500 capacity, so 3 trucks at the same time couldn't empty it themselves. And look at this, it's full again. And nobody's even picking this up. Why is that so? Ah, I know, this is why. Oh god. And now they're gonna be doing it. Maintenance. This is the copper production, all good. Electricity, I wanted to say all good, but not really. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm okay with this. Do we have enough space here to make like space exploration stuff? I don't know. I'm getting... If I'm gonna keep all of this, yeah, I don't think I'm getting enough space here. Composites, that's fine. 8 of these. Okay, I think I'm gonna go and deal with chemical fuel somewhere else. Chemical fuel needs aluminium, fine, but it needs ammonium and fuel gas. Do I have anywhere where both of those things are being produced? My ammonia is being produced here, but also in this area. Ammonia and fuel gas is being imported here. Fuel gas is... you know what? I'm still not happy with this. I think I'm still going to make it somewhere separately. Oh my god, please don't tell me. Oh boy. I know what this is now. I think that we are overproducing pressure because these two are working at 100% now because of the excess trash. And that means that they cannot... Really? They're still complaining about exhaust? Is it stockpiled that much or something? Maybe the excuse me, maybe exhaust is stockpiled that much. But this this here, what's happening is that this is connect. Oh no, it's 48. It should be fine. Why? Okay, and you, 48, 48, and output here. It's flowing. Okay, that was idle for a minute. Let's see. Oh, why is this happening? What's with power production? Yeah, that's strange. Okay, looks like we have problems to solve. I mean, like, yeah, we would just put aluminium production in operation. Aluminium is very, very energy intensive. Okay, let's not lose power here. This one as well. We need power for this, please. Port, I don't care. Low supply of ethanol. Let's see the power production. What's with power? Coal full. Power is working. Coal full. Okay, what's the next one? Coal full. Power not working. Why is this happening? And I'm betting that diesel generators are... I thought the diesel generators are supposed to work only to ramp things up. You see, they're working just because, you know, it's a transition period between low amounts of electricity, so they kick in, boom, straight away, because they start producing electricity very fast. And they throttle down as my steam generators come online. I know that this one is messing us up, but that should be resolved shortly as well. Maybe... I definitely need to finish my the last nuclear segment or reactor. Whoa! Are you freaking kidding me? My nuclear power plant stopped working. Okay, everybody seems to be alive. Water is here, so we didn't lose any water. That's nice. It's working now. Okay, come on. Produce more. Okay, you know what? I'm giving up. I'm giving up on this. I'm gonna focus on my fuel. What did we say? We need fuel. That will be chemical fuel. 12, 12, 8. Natural gas. That's, I don't know where natural gas is being produced. We are importing some. We have overproduction from sludge. Ammonia. I know where ammonia is. And where is this being produced? In a chemical plant. Easy. We need a chemical plant. We have ammonia. I was thinking of squeezing it here, but this is chemical plant. This is ammonia. So if I go and build another one, so do it like this, chemical plant number 2. Let's build it freestanding like this. Recipe, fuel, thank you. We have the ammonia coming from here, natural gas, fuel gas coming from elsewhere, and aluminium coming from elsewhere. So we need a gas tank and we need storage. Storage goes on the floor. So storage first. On the ground level, and since only one flat conveyor belt, I can do it like this. And the next to that is going to be the fuel gas. So we can go for fuel gas. We can ask them to go to 400. Notify me if it's under 25%. Thank you very much. This is going to be aluminium. That should be the first one. And then to 400 notification when under 50%. Notify. Did I press notify? Yes, I did. Okay, so that's the second one. So fuel gas goes like this, goes up, perfect, thank you. Go here, that's not perfect, we need to let you go this way and this way. That's how I like it. Okay, so this is all connected. Ammonia comes from here. I think I'm gonna take ammonia from this side. Why is this priority output? I'm gonna take it from here just because all ammonia is being mixed here. So we're gonna cut this setup. We're gonna put it right approximately. We can even put it here. I'll put a little bit more space in between. So here, like this, and then ammonia. Nope. Big fat NO. Okay, so let's go this. This, okay, and boom. And this is gonna be fuel gas. Where does fuel gas come out of? Flat, okay. I forgot to put the storage. Darn. Okay, I can put storage like here then. So if I need to build more, factories, more chemical plants here, I can just add them here to the right. Hopefully not more than one, but we'll see. And I'm gonna tell them to prioritize this output of ammonia. This is 12. This is the whole factory of ammonia going in this direction. Low supply of aluminium. Yeah, we are not storing aluminium anywhere. This is a problem. So aluminium is being produced here. This is composites. So I should be storing aluminium somewhere. Where do we want to do that? I think I'll do it this way. Nope, that's not the one. This is the aluminium. I think it's like this, so... there we go. Aluminium. Aluminium is going to be stored here. Aluminium is made here. Everything is processed elsewhere. I don't think I put this, though. There we go. So take this out whenever you have a chance. And then they're going to have to do it here. That's it. That's it. Okay, let's go. 24 notifications. 24. 2 of them mines not having anywhere to dig. Well, this one is not a problem. I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna leave this alone. I think I I wanted to say I'm okay with this, but I kind of am okay like this with this. I will decorate all of this. I want them to finish putting everything in this hole, but I'm done. I'm done with this. I really am. I think I don't want to do anything at the moment. If I need to do anything, I will just build another tower and decorate this area. For now, I have no idea what to do here. I could have built like fuel production in this crater, empty mine or something like that. I'm perfectly happy with this. And here, if I build a railroad here, since I decided that I'm not gonna make like a seaside passage here, that I will build a bridge, I'm actually happier for it. So yeah, designations outside of mine. Yeah, let's see that as well. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. Off you go. Second. Oh, that's a cold one. Cold one. Cold one. Cold one and cold two. There you go. You do you. Okay, low supply of aluminium. That's gonna have to change when we make more aluminium. How much aluminium we're gonna be building here? Well, this is gonna be short soon. We are making 24 per minute, right? And how much you're consuming for fuel? I think it's very fuel, like 8. Okay, that's just aluminium tanks, I'm guessing, for rocket fuel. Okay, so 8, 24, and these 24 are definitely losing. Oh, funny how... Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it is funny how that is. 24, I produce 24, 16 goes into composites, and 8 goes into fuel. Ha! Okay, what's the last thing we need to do? The last thing is solar cells. Okay, that's easy, because I'm not making those here either, and I won't. This is okay, so we can make this close. Solar... It's not solar cells. We need to put the... what's I call it? Assembly. Assembly, and we can do it like this. I will do it a little bit. Like, I think this is gonna be more feng shui. Okay. Solar cell, and what else? This is going to be fuel. Okay, let's start making these. So direct line here, this is gonna be direct line here. This can be built, and the last thing is solar cells. So solar. There we go. 400. I think I have them in the port or somewhere like that. Excess amount of those. Okay, here we go. Okay, station parts basic. We're in the space business, people. I mean, we still have to I still have to balance all of this, and this is just going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, let's continue. Ooh, we're almost there. We almost dug through this. Let me just reassign these. Edit areas. Let's go, I think, to here. Should be fine. We'll see how that's gonna work. And then this one, I will give them more operational space. It can go here. Something like this. And then we're gonna break through this one, and I'm gonna start chipping off the hill mountain here. I don't know how much. I don't think I'm gonna push all the way. As much as I feel comfortable to put a railroad. So that's gonna be a big one. Railroad looks very nice. I'm really happy with this. Like transitions here, sharp angles, smooth angles, connection to the bridge, overpasses. I think all looks nice. I'm happy about this one. Okay, what's next? Copper running low. We need to stop messing with this. They're fine there. Okay, let's go and dig more copper. Yeah, call me when you're done. Okay, low supply of aluminium. Aluminium is here, fuel is being produced. How much fuel we're making? 8 per minute. Okay, perfect. Copper ore is low. We're just resolving that. Household items. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What is this? This is steel. Okay, we have a steel problem. This needs to be resolved now. What's the problem with the steel? Steel is not getting to storages. We're not getting enough steel. We need more steel. I think this is across the board. I don't think this is even with these little things, which is, I think, seriously, they're still having these problems. This looks like electricity because this is one of the last buildings I made. I'm just gonna go and check my nuclear power plant. This one, unfinished one. 100% maintenance is going up, but it's still in orange. I'm hoping that they're not gonna break. I'll speed this up because I think it should be all fixed. But look, even with this, absolutely 100% we need more. We need more steel. I'm just looking at this here. Let me just... Let me just do something here. Not this one. Let's do this one here. Let's do this one as well. Be empty, please. Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here... Remove you. What I'm going to do here, do we have any excess here? No. I'll remove you as well. Oh, come on, man, I pressed it. Spank you, and then goes from here, here, and here, and build this. No more, no need for the, I need to empty this. Let's pause this. This is not needed anymore. I will connect this much better. This is going to go into 2 directions. So I think the best way to connect this is like this. This one, this one, this one, and from here, right there. And you need to be rotated in this direction. Oh, right. And unpause you. Okay, so this should be now iron ore, and they are mixing here. The recyclables and iron ore are being mixed here, so this is perfect. There's a big batch coming in here, big batch coming there. I have no idea why these big batches are coming in here, but they're coming. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, okay, let's go for the next one. Iron ore seems to be going here fine. This is 450. They are consuming 48 each. I am done. I think I'm done with this. We need to implement a new conveyor belt. This is not okay. This here. This is not enough. This is not enough iron. Well, like, even when it's working fully, it's not enough iron to feed everything. So what I'm gonna have to do here is... find a way of delivering more ore, or maybe even even if I need to deliver more ore, because this is giving us 400. Let's say 400 minus 16, and it's 384. 384 iron ore crushed. It's easier to calculate that each one of these can feed 4 steel mills. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1 steel mill extra. Yes, it can be, it probably is being fed by another with batches of iron scrap, Why they're coming in? Ah, right, because that's how they're being recycled. I need to see how much iron scrap are we actually producing. We're producing hundreds. Okay, so maybe I'm wrong then. What I can do, I can redirect this iron scrap into new steel mills. Like, for example, all the way to here. Even here seems like we have some kind of a passage that I might do something to deliver recyclables from here to the next steel mills. Currently, according to statistics over here, we are consuming 191. No, red is consumption, green is production. 100 and what's the average? Come on, man, give me more. This doesn't give me anything. This gives me yearly. I need to divide this. Like this, according to this, is 200. According to this, yeah, more or less 200. Steel. This is another 4 steel mills. This is what I'm saying, guys. We're getting another 4 steel mills of materials, but these materials cannot be delivered because conveyor belts are delivering only 450. 450, like I said, if you take that this is 50, it's 48. But let's say that it's 50. Each steel mill is only getting like 50 materials. So we have enough materials for another 4 steel mills. Yeah, for 8 and 4, for 12 steel, 3 more steel mills, but I need to create a better delivery system. If I try to do it here, which I will because I have no idea how to do this at the moment, if I try to do it this way, I think eventually we're gonna run into a problem, delivery problem, that is just not gonna be getting all the materials. So yeah, I said my piece. And I really need to double check these limestone and graphite, if conveyor belts can actually deliver all of those also. Let's do this way. Let's do this, and I'm gonna continue connecting our infrastructure here. So this is number 2 pipe. Let's go with you. We have number 1 pipe here. This is for steam. Okay, and we have pollution here that is going to number 2 pipe over here. Okay, so let's try to build this. You. This is in several different bits and pieces. Okay, oxygen needs to be delivered here as well, and this guy is gonna have to have its pollution. Yeah, 36 pollution. That's gonna be bigger pipe, absolutely, and pollution goes in here. For now. Oh no, they built it the wrong way. Okay, whatever. I'll actually, before they start operating, I'm just gonna fix this. Come on, get away, get away. From here to here to here, because this one needs to be connected. Okay, and then we have the last one. Well, you wish that it's last one. We're running out of time. Okay, no mining designation. Really? These guys are fast. Sure, go for these, and then go for these. And finally, we're broken through the pipe. Oolykee. It's a mountain in Croatia, between Istria and the rest of the country. Yeah, mountain and the tunnel. Right, we have the... Is that the one? Okay. Water. Oh, water. Good point. I missed this. These are cooled casters. Okay. I see some getting stuck here. I don't like that. That means that they are not being outputted as fast as they could be. So I'm going to try this. How can I click on this conveyor belt? Oh, there we go. Okay. Any mine operations? No, not enough maintenance. They're still on about this. Well, this is very close to 960. It's gonna take them a little bit to fill all of this, but yeah, not happy about it. Low supply of steel, that's what we're working towards. You see this? This means that there's too much steel here and there is being prioritized there. Yeah, I think this just needs to be upgraded now. And let's see where the next blockage is going to be. It's not blocking here. Oh, it is now. It's not blocking on this conveyor belt, so I'm kind of happy. They're still not blocking this conveyor belt, so I don't think I want to upgrade any further until I see that there's blockages happening here, because they are consuming, all of these areas are consuming more steel, but until I actually have conveyor belts stopping export of steel, there it was for a moment there. Yeah, I can go for next one. Yeah, anyway, that's it. I'm gonna be micromanaging this. I'm gonna try to stabilize everything. I'm gonna try to finish the, well, the decent amount of space parts, space station parts, and potentially soon, do we have the, where's the space program? That would be here, right? Launch pod. Oh, rocket assembly as well. Oh my god, look at the materials. That's gonna be a while, guys. It's gonna be a while because I'm gonna need to stabilize everything here. I need to build obviously bigger storages. This is not good enough anymore, so I'll have to think about how to do this. Hopefully in style, Open Gangnam style. But yeah, I'm gonna do this off screen. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my brewski here. I'm gonna tell you thank you for watching. Hope you yeah. More problems. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have the description of the video. See you next one. Bye bye.